action. We're back in the action, boys.
Oh, no. Is that no, that's not what they heard. What? Why are you?
I didn't know how expensive games were. I'm not gonna spend another $80 on this thing. So we actually have a pretty fun video today, boys. I've been stoked for this for a long time, and I think you guys will too, because I actually get so many requests, like beyond belief, for us to do more XXXTentacion videos, which gave us the perfect opportunity to make this one. Ian, do you want to do some explaining, or should I? I'll explain it first, I guess. Or do you want to explain? I'll just probably explain it, just because. No, you explain it, actually.
Oh, okay.
No, I got it. So as a lot of you guys may know, I've done a video of his stuff in the past, but X, or I guess the people that are now looking after his website and his merch and all that, they do make merchandise for him. Now, they put out this merch about a month or two ago, and it usually takes a long time to ship because it's a pre-order process, and I've been getting a lot of messages since then of people asking if I ended up buying his merch. Now, we actually did, and because I love mystery unboxing videos, and I like things to be a mystery for me and the viewers, I just think it adds a little bit of a flair. I don't know where we're going with it. Ian, show your balls. I don't know. It's like kind of not sure how to word things today. So we did get the merch today, and as I was saying, we wanted to add a little bit of a surprise factor to this. So what we did about 2 months ago when they dropped this merch is I told Ian to go on the website, I gave him my credit card info, and I said, dude, pick out whatever you think that I would like and the boys would like for this video so we can make it kind of a mystery. If it were up to me, I would have purchased everything off his website, because I honestly think out of all the rappers dropping merch right now, I think that his stuff is by far the dopest. We've all seen Little Pump stuff, it's ridiculous. 6ix9ine's not so great. We have Juice WRLD's coming in real soon, that one's kind of dope, but X's is definitely by far the best in my opinion. So Ian, you got the package right here. Now he did all this came to your house. Don't show your address or anything like that. How much did you end up spending on this? I haven't actually even looked.
It was about $500.
Holy crap! I'll give you like a $200 budget, buddy. That's fine, I guess.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I got kind of carried away.
Yeah, okay, cool. So we have X's new merch here. I also have some really cool pieces I want to show you at the end of this video. But for now, boys, here is an X unboxing of his merch from the Skins album, which was an amazing album. You guys leave comments down below. 1, if you want more of these videos. 2, if you dug the album. 3, give a thumbs up. And honestly, we might give away one of these pieces. Depending on how much I dig them all, we might give one away. All right, without further ado, boys, let's get into it. I've been waiting for so long to get this stuff in. I can't wait to wear it first off. But Ian, what was your inspiration for buying these pieces for me? Was it that you thought they were dope, or that you thought I would just dig them, or did you just goof me and get the worst pieces? Yeah, you did it, man. Oh, I was hoping you'd get this.
That was the first piece I got, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the XXXTentacion Skins jacket right here, which is dope. It doesn't have too much branding, which is sick. It just says Skins. I actually don't have a jacket like this.
Man, I thought this would be more waterproof. I thought it'd be like a good rain jacket for you.
No, this is waterproof.
You actually like need one.
Dude, this is dope. You got my size for it and everything. Very sick. Once again, this isn't a video I would generally drop just because it's going to be a shorter video, but you guys really requested this, so... Next up, oh yeah!
Yeah, I got this Skins t-shirt.
Did you get something for yourself? We'll hook you up with something. Okay, so this was the distressed one, right? Yeah, the Skins, just like the album cover type of thing, with the distressing all over it. I hate when they have distressing like over nipple area, or like where it's gonna show some fat rolls or something like that, but it's around the neck. I think that's kind of dope. I dig it.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a good choice. Thank you, buddy. You guys let me know down below if you guys copped anything from these drops. We got a couple more pieces, dude. Thank you. That's dope. Next up, this is a sick piece. Oh, I thought this was a long sleeve. We got the X Skins short sleeve shirt right here, and honestly, I feel like this stuff, I'm not gonna sell it on eBay, but I feel like this stuff's probably gonna go for a pretty penny. I've already opened it, so maybe not. But Skins on the front, that's a very dope piece. Honestly, Ian, if you want this one, you can have that one. You know what I mean?
I mean, I spent your money on it.
That's fine. Hey, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
Here for sharing. Okay, so we got one last piece. I do have something that I want to show you guys at the end of this video that I've been purchasing lately, X related. But last up, boys, we have, this is the long sleeve. Yes! Good job, buddy. This was probably my favorite piece that I saw in the collection. It's got, once again, the Skins album cover in blue, which is dope. We got some XXXTentacion stuff right here.
See, I wasn't sure about that one because you like never wear long sleeves.
I don't. You know why? Like, I love long sleeves, but I want to show off my tattoos. If I'm going to be 100% honest, that is like me not fronting on you. I like showing tattoos. Dude, that's very sick. So here's the unboxing we had, guys. We got, once again, many requests. You guys let me know what you got. And now, to end off this video, it's once again going to be shorter. I want to show you guys what I've been obsessed with buying lately. And it's we'll show you right now. All right, boys, so last up for this little X haul, these are like my prized possessions right now, and I guess you could say I'm like starting some sort of collection, even though I'm not trying to. I just buy things that I think are dope. But if you guys want to check out somebody who does have a dope collection, I'm gonna have his link down below. He was just a subscriber that messaged me and said, hey man, I'm really a big fan of X, I've got all this stuff, da 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 da. I'm like, that's super dope. If the boys really care about this stuff so much, I'll shout you out. So his link's down below, go check out his page, he's a nice guy. Now these are each $500. I bought them off eBay because I just thought they were so dope. I don't even know what I was searching for. I think I was just searching up autographs because I've always been an autograph collector. Like I've got tons, usually from hockey to other stuff, but I found an X autograph. Now this autograph right here is actually printed on one of the original posters of his tour or his concert that he was at. So this is June 22nd at Majestic Theater, and you know, it's got Rob Bankstand here, I guess, who he was with, but this is an authentic autograph, came with authenticity and 100% authentic poster. I thought it was really dope, and because I'm really OCD and I hate just having one thing hanging on the wall, I feel like I always need a second thing hanging on the wall to match it. So I've been also searching on eBay. This was about $500 too. We have another one which
that one's my favorite.
This one's so dope, man. Yeah, this picture itself is very sick, and I think it looks really dope in contrast, but this picture's just gnarly. And like I said, I don't need two autographs because this is once again the same thing where it's printed on a concert poster and then it's got his autographs. I don't need to, but now I've started this whole collection and I'm trying to buy more. That's how my mind works. Also, I feel like, not that I'm gonna sell them, but I don't see them as a bad investment in terms of the artwork, and honestly, if we're gonna be real, his autograph is not gonna diminish in value. It's probably gonna go up, so if I'm ever in hard times later, which I will be, I'm sure, you know, I can sell them for more money. But anyway, you got this one right here. The cool thing with this is this one came with the backstage pass that the guy had, who got the autograph. So these are just like my prized possessions right now. And I want to say also, we're trying to be respectful with this video because I know a lot of people get hate on YouTube for making X videos, you know, getting clout off his name and stuff like that. So that's why we don't have as many jokes, but I'm just showing you, I guess, some collection that I unintentionally started. So these are the dopest pieces I have right now. All together, probably a $1,500 haul. And once again, check out my buddy down below. His Instagram's really dope. He's actually got a collection. I'm not really trying to do this stuff, but you know, if it looks sick on my wall, I'm gonna purchase it. Anyway, boys, that's it for this video. I enjoy making these. If you guys enjoy them too, leave a thumbs up down below. And also, we got a word from our sponsors over at Rose Gold and Black. Not Rose Gold and Crack, but they could be called that because their pieces are cracked. They put a bracelet that was sick.
Oh, I thought you said crap.
No, crack.
Okay,
oh,
yeah.
Not crap.
I was gonna say, wow, that's a bold move.
Yeah, it is
shooting on them.
You know what? Rose Gold and Crap is what, no, I can't say that. Anyway, they sponsor these videos, they help us afford things like this, and also they put out really cool bracelets. Everything they sell on the website is rose gold and black. If you guys want rose gold and pink, you're not gonna fucking get it. So don't even try, you know what I mean? So this one, I always show this. This is my favorite. It's just super subtle, and it's made of lava rock, which I just think is bomb. You know what I mean? I think that just shows, hey man, I'm a little bit tough. It grounds me with the earth or something if I was one of those weirdos. They also got watches on their website, and what we have scrolling over Ian's face is their website. Go check them out down below.
It's going over my face?
Yeah, there's like a little screen going over your face right now. Can't go over mine. So anyway, if you guys click the link down below, it really helps, even if we get clicks on it. What's going on with your face?
I just got an itch, that's all. Okay,
jeez, that was weird. Anyway, there's a 25% off discount code already attached when you click that link. Go do it, check them out, it helps us out. And I wanna redo our sponsorship with them because I feel like we're almost up with our sponsorship. So go for this one time, be like, yo man, I'm gonna give you the sponsorship back and stuff like that. But boys, appreciate you for watching. Also let me know what your favorite piece was. God man, I just look at these and I'm so stoked. There's another one on eBay right now that I'm kind of thinking about buying, so you guys will let me know. It's another concert poster, go out with it. Appreciate y'all. Marking the game, the greatest of all time. Ian, thank you. I think you made some solid picks today. And
thanks, man.
Yeah, and boys, if he doesn't want that black shirt, which he might, I might give it away to you. So we'll see. We'll talk off camera and I'll pick one of you guys if he doesn't want it. Blow. Wow, that was a lot of talking. Jeez.